For lesson 4's homework. Um, in case you had more questions, just want to see me do the math and my thinking behind it. So this is the first one for homework. And we see we have parentheses in both. This one's really easy to do. Distributive property. But over here, there doesn't seem to be anything in the front of the parentheses. But there is. There's actually a 1 in here. So you can distribute what's in front of the parentheses. But it's not just a positive 1, it's actually a negative 1. If I do add the opposite, you can see that minus 1 is the same as plus negative 1. So you have to distribute a negative 1 to both things. So you're going to get 5 plus negative 1 times n is negative 1n. And negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4. And if you got this problem wrong and you tried a bunch of times, that's most likely what happened to you. You forgot to distribute the negative correctly to both things. Now we're going to simplify. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus negative 1n equals 3n plus 6. I'll add 1n to both sides. 9 equals 4n plus 6. Take away 6. 3 equals 4n. Divide both sides by 4. And n equals 3/4. Alright, so that's number 27. This is the most common mistake. You didn't distribute the negative correctly. Right here, you have to distribute the negative. Right up there. Alright, number 28. You get 6x plus 42 minus 20 equals 6x. 42 minus 20 is 22. So I get 6x plus 22 equals 6x. And I can tell right now this is a no solution. But say I kept going and took away 6x from both sides. 22 equals 0. That's false with no variable. So false with no variable, no solution for number 28. 29, we got distribute. Take away 4x from both sides. Sure, why not? 4x plus 8 equals negative 8. Take away 8 from both sides over here. Cancels that out. And we're left with 4x equals negative 8 minus 8 is the same thing as negative 8 plus negative 8, which is negative 16. And then divide both sides by 4, you get negative 4. That actually has a solution that makes it true. Next one, okay. X minus 4 minus 3x equals negative 2x minus 3. Oh. I'm going to help myself. Sometimes it makes sense to go plus negative 4 and plus negative 3. And then also to put this 1 in here in front of the x. Okay, so I have 1x plus negative 3x. 1 plus negative 3 is negative 2x. And I have plus negative 4. So let's put down as minus 4. And that equals negative 2x minus 3. Now, I'm going to add 2x to both sides. And you get negative 4 equals negative 3. Hey, that's false with no variable. So an equation that's false with no variable means another no solution. Sweet. All right, number 31. Here we go. Distribute the negative 2 to both ends. negative 2x minus 4 equals negative 2x plus 1. Again, that kind of looks like a no solution to me, but we'll go again. Add 2x to both sides. You get negative 4 equals 1. That's a no solution. Right? That's false. No variable. And the last one, let's distribute. We get 2x plus 8 minus 5 equals 2x plus 3. Well, the x's are the same on both sides, so that might give me a clue. 8 minus 5 is positive 3. Okay, you could have stopped there. X is all real numbers. Every number works. It's the same equation. But if you didn't realize it, you took away 2x, you get 3. 3 equals 3. That's true with no variable. True with no variable, so that tells you all real numbers. And that was the homework for lesson 4. I hope it made sense, and you can always ask me questions in class or message me.